Hello and welcome to my channel. So today I have brought for you a really fun and simple tutorial on how to make some ephemera for your junk journals. So today I thought we'll make these. Now I don't know what I'd call these, but these are, you can say, staggered booklets of some kind, and I had a lot of fun making these. Now, how do you use them and how do they function? So you have a paper clip here and you can remove that clip and the whole thing can turn around like this, and you can of course write at the back. So I think they look really nice and are very functional, and of course very thin. You can see how thin they are, so they are easily you can just easily put them in pocket or just clip them like this onto a page, and they'd be fun additions to any junk journal. So I thought we'll make some on camera. So for this project you can use just about anything to go to make those pages. I used these are cutouts from book pages. Okay, these are images of flowers that I had in a botanical book, and I just cut around the flowers and I used those. But you can just use anything, like for example you can use this is a book page, but it's slightly firmer, it's not very thin, so you can use something like this, or you can use maybe very thin cardstock or scrapbook paper, something like this also could work. What I did was I just used these flower cutouts from the botanical book. You can use even magazine images or something like that, or maybe even plain cardstock. Like for example, I have one here that I made just using gray colored cardstock, and I just used some washi tape to just decorate it. And of course the back is plain, so you could write at the back. I think they are super fun and easy to make, so we'll just make one together. I have here with me some images that I have readied for the sake of making it quick and easy on the video. So I just used similar flower cutouts from the botanical book, and I just sewed around the edges, backing it with some craft paper, just so to make it useful. You could write at the back if it's plain. So I've just made these, and we just need to stagger, place it in a staggering way so that we can see all the layers. Maybe something like this. Like that, so you are able to see some part of every layer. Then you have this tiny bit, this tiny area where all three layers overlap. So that is the area where you should aim to put your eye hole, like this. So we'll just punch out a hole here. Okay, and we'll add our eyelet. like that. So you could rotate it. So we'll just fix it. Okay, so that's done. Now these are already quite good just as they are. They are obviously images of flowers, so you can just leave them like that, but I'd like to do some decoration. Like I added some bits of lace, and for the plain one, of course, I added washi tape and a sticker. So you could also do something like that. So I've just got some lace and some ribbon to glue it here. I think it looks a bit plain, so perhaps we can add a second layer of lace. Maybe this would look nice. Yes, I like this one better. So let's just glue that in place. Let's just add we'll have to leave it aside to dry a bit. It's of course still wet and it could shake and move around, so we'll just press it lightly. Oops. Okay, and we'll put this aside to dry. And of course you could use a paper clip to just hold it all together. You can just put it in your journal as is, but just adding the paper clip gives it more stability. So let's just put that aside to dry. So tell me how you found this video and how did you like my staggered or layered booklet. And I think and I hope you would have found this easy and helpful for your junk journals. Hit the like button if you liked the video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.